So hi there. Today I'm going to explain how you can get over the problem of not having fire doors in a property. So these doors are not fire rated doors, but unfortunately to use it as SA, it's come through on the risk assessment that it needs to be a fire rated door. And to change them at this stage is a major job. So there is quite a good way to get around this. There's a company called Envirograph that make intumescent products for upgrading doors, walls and various other things to a fire rating. So I'm now going to show you the products. So here we have the system that I'm going to use to upgrade the door. So you've got your water-based primer, which is your first coat. You've then got the intumescent coating, and then you've got a top coat. So the entire system makes an existing door fire rated. But prior to coating, I have done some preparation to the door. So it's now had fire rated hinges fitted, which have the intumescent pads underneath them. The door handles are also fire rated, and I'm going to be upgrading to a fire rated latch. And then for the intumescent seals, Envirograph make these self-adhesive seals which go into the rebates. Like so, and they're stuck in and pinned. So once the whole system is done, this old existing door, so once this door has had its full coats of paint, it will then be a half-hour fire rated door. So that has saved me a huge amount of time and upheaval and money. And whilst the intumescent products are expensive, compared to having to rip out the door and frame, it's quite a saving. One final thing I would like to add: if you are going to use a system like this, make sure you contact the manufacturer and that you are working to their recommendations. Since Grenfell, obviously the emphasis on fire protection has greatly increased. There's a lot of recommendations come out of that incident. So products are now being constantly reviewed and tested. So things may have changed since I made this video.